So in this video, I'm going to show you how to check your mouse DPI in Windows PC. So all you just have to do is just to search in web browser or whatever your web browser is. You just have to search DPI analyzer and you could click the first link and this would appear. First off, you just have to go also in mouse settings and go to additional mouse options and go to pointer options and make sure that you turn this off, the enhanced pointer precision, apply and OK to display the accurate DPI. So once you have to fill this up, the target distance, so example 3, and gonna configure DPI. That's just for example. So this is where you actually try your DPI. As you can see, this is the DPI analyzer, and you can see your actual DPI in here, and the target counts, actual counts, and deviation. So you have also other options in here, but this is the only recommended to fill up, and that's it.